Hi folks, I'm shattered. Yeah, been trying to sort the car out today because looking at the weather, today was the best day with regards to less wind. So yeah, for the last few days, making sure every area was sanded and cleaned so there was no dirt or dust. So yeah, when I got around to painting it and then lacquering it, it would be spot on perfect. And no. No. Some areas it's not noticeable. Passenger side, passenger door, lower part. It doesn't matter because it's quite dark in that area. So therefore, if it's not, well, because the paint on that car is sparkly. It's all it's like little stars in it. Tiny stars. Yeah, sparkly. Sparkly. Yeah, I think that's the word. Sparkly. Yeah. So yeah, in the tin of paint you buy, the spray tin and the paint, you have to shake it up to mix it, to make it sparkly. The problem is it doesn't blinking work at all. Now, at this point in time, I have bought 3 tins of paint from one company and 2 tins from another. Every single tin of paint I bought, I have shaken. And when you get to spray it, it's patchy. When it's done properly, it should be dry and it should be sparkly. But the problem is that you get, maybe when you shake it up, with one tin you might get 60% mixed, 40% not. So you get 40%, where 20% of the 40 is not sparkly at all. The other 20% is completely sparkly, but not enough of the blue. So therefore, okay. And the other 6% is actually the way it should be. So therefore it's patchy. The next tin could be 30% that mixes, but 70% that doesn't mix. Even the lacquer, putting that on. Yeah. I don't know. The top of the car, when I left it, it was patchy. Very patchy. It could be because the lacquer hadn't dried in all areas. That maybe it's thicker in some places than others, so it needed more time to dry. Maybe that's the hope. That's the hope. But yeah, it's really annoying because I've spent nearly £100, well, over, if you count sandpaper and other stuff I bought to try and get this car looking good, and all because of a few scratches. It looks worse now. Oh, because the problem is DIY stuff, the stuff you buy is crap compared to the stuff that the professionals get. Is absolutely crap because the professionals have the right tools and the right stuff, and that's why you have to pay a lot of money for it, because it costs more money to do it right. So basically, if I went to a garage to do the issues with that car, it would probably cost about £200 or £250, and I've spent nearly £170 already, and it looks really bad. So yeah, It's really annoying because I haven't got money to waste, but I've wasted all that money already. It's So I said to God, right, well, how it is now, it's going to stay how it is now because obviously no more money to waste, and I've wasted too money already. So yeah, am I learning how to deal with it? But again, using the lacquer, even the paint, when the paint is nearly gone, it sprays differently. So therefore, it could be faster with the spraying. There could be more coming out straight away, and it was dripping, and oh no, I had to basically wipe it out and wipe the area because it was dripping on the car, and then wait for it to be dry to sand it on and make it smooth again, to paint it again, and then with the lacquer again there was drips again. Oh bloody hell. Yeah. And then again, because areas were wet, flies were wanting to be in the area, landing in the area. I was getting really annoyed with the flies. So, sod off! It's wet. If you stay there, you're going to be staying there for years and years and years because with the lacquer, you can't. You'll be still there for years. So therefore, get out the area, idiots. Stop landing on the bloody car. There's other cars there. Land on those cars, not mine. I don't know. It's annoying. So there you go. It is what it is. It's yeah. Right now it's a bit. That's why I just feel knackered, just redoing this and doing that and doing this and doing that. I went up to the woods to try and paint the top of the car because it was less windy. But again, it was just patchy. And it's like, why is it patchy? So the areas that basically, the areas that were smooth and not the way it should be, I paint that area again, sprayed it again, shaking the tin, sprayed it again, and it wasn't working at all. So therefore, again, what's going to happen now? I don't know. No idea. I don't know. Yeah, because if it looks smooth, then it's not as it should be. So therefore, it's annoying. So what's going to happen? I don't know. No idea. I don't know. It is what it is. So yeah, some of the areas are better. Some of the areas are better, but not all of them. So therefore, yeah. It is what it is. So yeah, I will see tomorrow how it is. Yeah. Well, we're not going out again because they've had 2 runs already, the dogs. So therefore, that's good enough for them. 2 runs is enough, So there you go. And, I did contact the company where I bought the other 2 tins to see if they can help. Maybe give me another tin to deal with it, but is it worth it? No idea. Don't know because again, how to deal with it because because even the lacquer, I've used most of it now, so therefore I will need another tin of that. So, yeah. That won't be good. So there you go. I will leave you now. Enjoy. Enjoy. I will speak to you later. God bless. Bye-bye.